Well, ladies and gents, welcome back. Let's talk penny stocks. Only been a minute, but I want to leave you with something that you can use when trading penny stocks. This pattern you can use, and you'll probably pay for thousands. I'm going to give it to you for free, so stay tuned and smashy. We're going to go through a live trade from A to Z. Just like always, trading a stock instead of just doing recaps, because anybody can do that. I like to show you as I go. Stay tuned. There's an announcement at the end that will benefit a lot of you guys. I promise you. Let's go. So market just opened. Literally 2 candles into market open now. It's 1 minute into market open. I have a stock here, HLBZ, that just doubled in value because of news of partnership. Now I'm looking at a short position. I want to show you this pattern that works with these penny stocks. So you can see that it spiked significantly and it ended up coming back down a little bit. Now it's showing signs of weakness. Third candle is red. This actually turned red, the second one. I just entered a short position on this stock. That's the way we trade these penny stocks, is we trade based on, you can say, price action, but also patterns. And I want to explain to you a pattern. So here we are, almost 4,000 up in minutes, but it's not over just yet. Especially in a market like ours, when there is microeconomics news or a bear market or a consolidation period in the stock market, or there's fear in the air, these penny stocks usually pump and then drop in value significantly throughout the day. And with partnerships, you usually will have a flat line going this way. But in this case, it doubled in value, it spiked, then we're gonna have something like this throughout the day. I'll be out right about here. This is something you can use with penny stocks, obviously, right? And this is regarded as a penny stock in my case. So we are 1,400 up. I can take the profit if I wish, but I think at 34, 33, it will be a good deal, because at this stage, this stock is really struggling. Now, obviously, not every stock that struggles is going to be dropping in value significantly. Some stocks struggle and they accumulate shorts and then end up dropping back. So guys, all I can do now is leave this as it is, manage my risk here. This is going to be my take loss at 38.80. My entry is 36.50. So I'm just going to leave this plain for you. You can watch the price action and you're going to see this stock, if I'm right, obviously crumble down slowly. All right, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so as you can see with this stock, like I said earlier, it's just going sideways, and that's usually the case with partnerships. Any news of partnership, which is what this stock is, it's news of partnership. We had a big spike again because, let's say, short squeeze. Obviously a short squeeze happens at every stage in a stock. There isn't a specific number, but when news comes out, it squeezes all the shorts, new buyers come in to lift it, and obviously nobody wants to buy this stock anymore. So now I'm just gonna walk away with whatever's handed to me. There's a lot of opportunities as we speak in the market. So what I'm gonna do is, this stock is gonna hold this line. So $3,000 profit in this case. So that's it guys. Let me explain to you what happened with this stock. Well, you can see that yesterday it was at $15. Today it's at $35. Doubled in value in 24 hours, obviously because of news. So when stocks like this spike in value, penny stocks in general, they will come back crashing. That is the pattern. Now, this is the pattern you will pay for, by the way. Penny stocks, that's the way they react. And then they will find support, and if there is buying pressure, they will do this, right? So you got to be careful. You got to get out quickly from these stocks. So the announcement you guys have been waiting for. So this broker I'm using is holding a World Trading Series competition. So you can register for free, okay? And they'll give you a demo account for a week. In October, that's when the competition is. You can register under my name. And basically, what's happening with this competition is whoever, reaches the highest score trading-wise for a week, first 40 people from all over the world, you'll get a funded account. Right, which means that you get to keep a percentage of the winnings in a funded account. So you'll be getting either 80,000 for the first 20 people, or number one, you'll get 240,000 to trade with. Now, obviously, there's rules and whatnot to follow with a funded account, but it's free. Anybody can join, guys. Again, I'll leave a link for you guys in the description below. So this broker I'm using is a new broker, newish, by the way. I should have held my short. This stock is dropping. And it's just another way of promoting this broker by holding competitions and whatnot. So with that being said, hopefully you learned something. This was a quick trade. Again, when the stock market is jitterish, you will have trades like this, especially penny stocks, because, in a stock market like ours, nobody wants to hold penny stocks. So if you're going to trade such stocks, gappers, well, this is the way we trade them. Always be careful. Don't hope and wait. If it goes above your entry price or market open highs, then exit that trade, because likelihood is there's a lot of buying pressure in that stock. With that being said, guys, I'll leave it here. Peace and love, and I'll see you next time. And don't forget to smash that like button.